Keep drawing the crop. I just not so good for the first time. Let me try it again. I sometimes work on the same idea twice because I am not able to get a better idea and I can judge whether it is good or not good. But as you can see, it finally turned out to be not good. So let me put it away for seconds and to think about how to draw the tail. There are several ideas in my brain right now. All I have to do is jot them out one by one to see which one is better. Find the best one and abandon the others without mercy. The first idea is long and thin tail with a furry ball on top of it. It worked out not that good. It seems that short furry tail is suited to this guy as I have tried. So let me try another short tail. That would be a furry ball much shorter than the previous two. Okay, it looked good. Now we see that furry things is really cute for the small monster. Besides the furry tail, I now decided to draw furry leg and furs all over its body. But of course, no furs on the top head. It reminds me of sheep, an animal with furs all over, and sometimes you even cannot see its face. That is really interesting. So draw the fur. Fur around the neck is a little shorter than those on the belly, and you can still see wrinkles wrapped around the neck. Fur on the leg is short, and you can still see the shape of the leg, while fur on the belly is longer, dripping down and cover the leg. Okay, that's it. Let's go on and add more detail. Texture on the head adds reality to the creature as I have mentioned before. They are long and swelling. Hoof of sheep which I have been looking for, seems good looking and what more. I now get a sheep body, but I didn't realize I was looking for a sheep. Here, at the first time, I came to this step from a square body with eagle's claw and then with mouse tail. Then the tail becomes sharp and furry and the body becomes furry, and I finally aware that a sheep is needed here.